energy medication, which work very well, it turns out. So you try it if you are sneezing and finding difficulty. Very functional, turns out. She bought for Sergey, but Sergey did not want to use. He I don't want. No problem. It's okay. Okay, so if you are having worry about fire, this is for you.